Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PharmSci Insider, where you delve into the fascinating world of pharmaceutical sciences. Today, we embark on an exploration of a cutting-edge topic that is reshaping the healthcare landscape: artificial intelligence in healthcare. As advancement in technology continue to shape our world, AI has emerged as a powerful tool in improving patient care, diagnostic, and drug development. Join us as we uncover the potential of AI in transforming healthcare delivery, enhancing precision medicine, and accelerating scientific breakthroughs. Let's start. In the quest to improve the prediction of preterm birth, researchers are turning to a new method that analyzes electrical activity during pregnancy. By combining cutting-edge technology with deep learning algorithms, a team of scientists has made a groundbreaking discovery. Led by Nehorai and Goldstein from Washington University in St. Louis, the team developed a special computer model that can predict preterm births as early as 31st weeks of pregnancy. They used a technique called electrohysterogram measurements, which can detect the electrical activity of the uterus. They also considered important information like the mother's age and how far along she was in her pregnancy. The scientists trained a powerful computer program called a deep learning model using data from 159 pregnant women. The recordings were obtained during regular checkups and from mothers hospitalized with symptoms of preterm labor. The results were amazing. The computer model they created performed even better than previous method. It could predict preterm births with very accurate results. This is fantastic news because it means doctor can intervene early and give better care to mothers and baby. The scientists discovered that certain aspects of the electrical activity in the uterus were especially important for predicting preterm births. This opens up new possibilities for further research and better prediction in the future. Moving forward, Nehorai and Goldstein plan to develop a device for recording electrohysterogram measurement and expand their research to a larger cohort of pregnant women. Their ultimate goal is to validate and improve their method, ensuring that it can be widely implemented in the clinical setting. These dedicated researchers are changing the way we predict the preterm births. By using advanced technology and understanding how electricity works in pregnancy, they are giving hope for healthier pregnancies and better outcome for mothers and babies. Together, they are making a real difference in the lives of pregnant women, one prediction at a time. Researchers from Northeastern University have created a special computer program called FoodPro-X that can tell us how processed our food is. Let's find out more about this amazing tool. The researchers at Northeastern University have been studying the connection between ultra-processed foods and our health. They wanted to understand how much processing goes into the food we eat every day. To help with their research, the scientists developed FoodPro-X. It's a computer program that uses information about the nutrients in our food from the US Department of Agriculture. By analyzing this information, FoodPro-X can predict how processed a particular food is. FoodPro-X uses a system called NOVA to classify foods into 4 groups. These groups range from unprocessed or minimally processed to ultra-processed. However, the researchers found that NOVA had some limitation because it didn't account for the different levels of processing within each group. FoodPro-X gives each food a score between 0 to 100 to show its level of processing. A score of 0 means the food is minimally processed, while a score of 100 means it's highly ultra-processed. This scoring system gives us a better understanding of how processed food really are. FoodPro-X helps fill gaps in our knowledge about processed foods. It allows researchers to study complex recipes and mixed foods more accurately. With this tool, we can learn more about how processed foods affect our health. In fact, the researchers found that more than 73% of food we eat in the United States is ultra-processed. FoodPro-X has many benefits. It can help us assess the quality of our diet and make better food choices. By using FoodPro-X, we can predict the effects of replacing processed foods with less processed alternatives. This could lead to the healthier eating habits without much effort. The researchers at Northeastern University have made a significant breakthrough in the field of nutrition and public health with FoodPro-X. It's a tool that can reliably tell us how processed our food is, providing us with the valuable information for making healthier choices. As we continue to study the impact of processed foods, tools like FoodPro-X will play an important role in improving our well-being. Researchers at the University of Illinois Chicago have conducted a pioneering study using a special virtual coach called Lumen. It's an AI voice assistant designed to provide therapy. The study showed promising results with patients experiencing improved symptoms of depression and anxiety, along with changes in their brain activity. Let's take a closer look. This study is the first of kind to test the AI voice-based virtual coach for therapy, and the findings are impressive. Patients who received therapy through Lumen, the virtual coach, showed significant improvement in their depression and anxiety symptoms. This is a big step forward in using technology to help with mental health challenges. The researchers also noticed interesting changes in the patient's brain activity. They found increased activity in a specific part of the brain called dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, which is involved in the cognition control. This suggests that Lumen and similar virtual coaches can have a positive impact on the brain and mental well-being. It's important to remember that Lumen and other virtual coaches are not meant to replace human therapies. Instead, they can fill a crucial gap in mental health care. With more people experiencing anxiety and depression, especially after COVID-19, there's a growing need for accessible therapy options. This study brings hope for the future of mental health care access. Virtual coaches like Lumen can be a helpful solution for patients who are waiting for traditional therapy. They provide support and guidance until patients can receive in-person treatment. Artificial intelligence continues to make a positive impact in various fields, including mental health treatment. The University of Illinois Chicago study using Lumen shows us the potential of virtual therapy. While more research is needed, it's clear that technology can play a significant role in improving mental well-being and providing much-needed support. This breakthrough reminds us of the power of innovation and its ability to positively affect people's lives. Nowadays, researchers are using advanced technology to develop a machine learning model that could help identify diseases at an earlier stage. Let's dive into the details. Scientists at the University of Alberta have created a special computer program that can tell the difference between Alzheimer's patients and healthy individuals with an accuracy rate of 70 to 75%. This is a great news for more than 747,000 Canadians living with Alzheimer's or other forms of dementia. Detecting Alzheimer's in its early stages is really important because it allows doctors to start treatment sooner. The problem is that the symptoms of Alzheimer's can be quite subtle, making it difficult to spot the disease early on. But now, researchers have found a way to look at the way people speak rather than the words they say to detect early signs of Alzheimer's. The potential use for this technology are incredible. Imagine if you could use your smartphone as a simple screening tool for Alzheimer's. By analyzing how you speak, the machine learning model could give you an early indication of whether you might have the disease. This could help you to start treatment earlier and slow down the progression of the illness. It's important to note that the screening tool is not meant to replace doctors. Instead, it can work alongside healthcare professionals to enhance care they provide. One of the great things about this technology is that it can be used for telehealth services. This means that even if you live far away from a doctor or speak a different language, you can still get the help you need. The research team focused on the way people speak regardless of the language they speak. They discovered that people with Alzheimer's tend to speak more slowly, pause more often, and use shorter words. By understanding these patterns, they were able to create a powerful model that can work across different languages and cultures. Using the screening tool is really easy. All you have to do to talk with your smartphone, and the program will analyze your speech to determine if you might have Alzheimer's. Based on results, you can then consult with a doctor to get the best possible care. It's a user-friendly approach that puts the power of early detection in your hands. The research group at the University of Alberta have been working on similar projects to detect other mental conditions like PTSD, schizophrenia, depression, and bipolar disorder. Their goal is to use technology to improve the way we diagnose and treat these disorders, making healthcare more accessible and effective. The potential impact of this machine learning model on the early detection and management of Alzheimer's is truly remarkable. By providing a simple and accessible screening tool through smartphone, it has the potential to improve the lives of millions of people worldwide by enabling early intervention and treatments. Researchers have used the power of artificial intelligence to predict how enzymes work with different molecules. Let's break it down. Enzymes are like tiny factories in our cells that help make important molecules. But figuring out which molecules they can work with has always been a tough puzzle for scientists. Well, guess what? A team of scientists from Heinrich Heine University Dusseldorf has come up with a smart solution. They created a special AI tool called Enzyme Substrate Prediction or ESP model. This ESP model can predict with credible 91% accuracy if an enzyme can work with a specific molecule. And here's the cool part. It's work with any combination of over 1000 different molecules and enzymes. This breakthrough has huge implications for drug research and biotechnology. Knowing which molecules enzyme can work with is super important in this field. With the ESP model, scientists and industry experts can narrow down their options to the most promising combination of enzymes and molecules. This can help them to create new medicines, chemicals, and even biofuels using enzymes. But wait, there's more. The ESP model also helps us understand how cells and different organisms functions. From tiny bacteria to us humans, this AI-powered tool gives us valuable insight into how our bodies work. This breakthrough in predicting enzyme-substrate interaction is a big deal for drug research, biotechnology, and understanding our bodies better. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, we are one step closer to solving the mysteries of enzymes and their relationship with different molecules. Artificial intelligence has transformed our lives in countless ways. One remarkable AI chatbot, ChatGPT, has gained worldwide recognition for its ability to generate text across various domains. But can ChatGPT understand and express emotions? A recent study revealed some fascinating findings. Emotional awareness, or EA, is the capacity to recognize and express our own emotions, as well as understand the emotions of others. It plays a vital role in human interaction and has significant implications in diagnosing and treating psychological disorders. Researchers set out to explore ChatGPT's emotional capabilities by employing the Level Up Emotional Awareness Scale, or LEAS. LEAS is the test that measures emotional awareness by analyzing responses to different scenarios. In this study, ChatGPT's responses were compared to the norms of general population. The bot's learning curves was also evaluated through a follow-up assessment conducted a month later. Licensed psychologists independently assessed the appropriateness of ChatGPT's responses in each context. The results were remarkable. In the initial examination, ChatGPT surpassed the general population, achieving a significant Z-score of 2.84 across all LEA skills. In the follow-up assessment, the bot's performance skyrocketed, coming close to the maximum LEA score with an elevated Z-score of 4.26. The accuracy of its responses were exceptional, scoring 9.7 out of 10. These findings not only demonstrate ChatGPT's ability to generate emotionally accurate responses, but also highlight its significant improvement over time. This breakthrough has profound implications in both theory and clinical practice. Imagine incorporating ChatGPT into cognitive training programs for individuals with emotional awareness impairments. The bot's unique ability to articulate emotion could aid in their rehabilitation and enhance their emotional language skills. Additionally, ChatGPT's capacity to express emotions accurately may prove invaluable in psychiatric diagnosis and assessment, contributing to the advancement in the field. Nevertheless, as with any emerging technology, caution is essential. Further research and refinement are crucial to ensure that ChatGPT promotes mental health in a safe and beneficial manner. Despite the need for careful evaluation, this study makes a significant leap forward in integrating emotional intelligence into AI systems. ChatGPT's remarkable ability to understand and express emotions open up a new frontier, one that holds great promises for the future. Artificial intelligence continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. With ChatGPT's emotional intelligence, a world of new opportunities emerges, while technology not only understands our words but also comprehends our emotions.